And here we have a couple of pre-production units of our new integrated amplifier from Anthem, built entirely in Canada, crafted in Canada, as we like to say, from start to finish. It's called the STR, which is short speak for stereo. We want to get away from using two-channel and back to stereo again, so we call this the STR integrated. Right now I believe it's rated at 200 into 8, 400 into 4, and 600 into 2 ohms. Very beefy amplifier. That's a big integrated amp. And it's got very state-of-the-art digital inputs. If you look over here, Carlo, you can see the range of inputs and outputs that are built into the back. It's got a phono section, hooray, huzzah. We have AES EBU digital in as well as coax and optical, analog XLR in as well as single-ended, USB here, and of course your speaker outputs, your RS-232, and it's IP controllable.
Yeah, because that's very cool.
And it has Anthem room correction. So since it sits on the network, you can easily run Anthem room correction on it. And again, for the first time in a purely two-channel, oh, I said two-channel instead of stereo. In a purely stereo situation, you can run Anthem room correction. It's going to be a lot of fun with this piece. And then eventually we'll have a preamp version of this as well and a matching power amp as well later this year. But this is going to ship in the next 30 to 45 days. So
Now, what was the power output on it?
200 into 8,
Okay.
400 into 4, and 6 into 2.
Now, does it it's do strictly two-channel, or does it have a crossover to do 2.1 if you want?
Yes, it does, as a matter of fact. Thank you very much, Carlo, for pointing out my own job. I appreciate that. It does have crossover capabilities.
Very cool.
Yeah, managed by Anthem room correction.
Fantastic. Oh,
And 2 subwoofer channels, is that what you were saying? Yes, I thought I had remembered that, and it also has discrete left and right stereo subs.
I always ask because I run a 2.2 stereo system.
Really?
Yes, I do, sir.
You know, if you listen, especially to acoustically recorded music, but I bet you there's probably some good electronic examples as well, but anything recorded in a big hall with big drums or deep bass will have an ambience in it that's recovered in stereo mode all the way down. You know, you can hear it on some good recordings for sure. And that's why we built it. Crunch.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. That's fantastic.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I think is that it?